Hello and welcome to TekBoost TV. Today, I'm going to show you how to install video cards into a Dell 7920 workstation. Before beginning, we recommend checking with the manufacturer and making sure the latest firmware is installed. For this installation, you will not need any tools. The 7920 can hold 4 PCIe X16 Gen 3 graphics cards and can support up to 900 watts with maximum of 3 300-watt double-width graphics cards in 3 slots. The Dell 7920 supports the video cards listed on the screen. To begin, ensure your computer is powered off and the power cord is unplugged. Next, press and hold the power button until the light is completely shut off to ensure there is no residual power remaining on the motherboard. To open the system, lift the latch on the side panel and lift to remove. To install a video card, identify and release the tabs holding down the slot covers for the PCIe slots. Remove the slot cover. You can now install the video card. Identify the PCIe slot you wish to use and press the card firmly down to ensure a proper install. Replace the blue tab until it snaps into place, ensuring the card is firmly in place. Larger video cards may require power. The 7920 workstation has two 8-pin power cables that can be easily converted to 6-pin. Connect up to 2 power cords to the video card as needed. Lastly, reattach the side panel. Please check out our how-to videos covering processor, RAM, hard drive, and video card installations, as well as general product overviews for this and other systems. If you have found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. We welcome suggestions on how to make these more useful, so please don't be shy requesting more content.